Thank you so much, everyone. And I would like to congratulate to each one of us and to the world. Today, we celebrate 7th International Day on Dignified Menstruation. And together, we proudly say, yes, we made it. Yeah. The Global South Coalition for Dignified Menstruation is no longer walking alone in this journey. And we are a community, an extraordinary community, expanding a global community. We come from the diverse social, economic, cultural, and the political backgrounds. Yet, the pain we have carried, the stories we have shared, the struggle we have survived, and the commitment we upload, these unite us. It really unites us. This conference has not been a platform of learning. It has also been a powerful reminder of why Global South Coalition for Dignified Menstruation really exists and why our movement must continue with the even greater strength. At Global South Coalition for Dignified Menstruation, we have always said, lived stories matters. And over the past 3 days, we witnessed exactly that. Today, we stand clear, strong, and loud in our collective call for dignified menstruation. From the voice of Little Menstruator, recalling her first experience with menstruation, to the stories of trans men navigating discrimination, to the experience of the LVT individuals, people with disabilities, each story reminded us why dignified menstruation is not merely an agenda, but a lifelong struggle against menstrual discrimination to dismantle unequal power relation and the patriarchy. We explored the intersection of menstruation with the climate and pandemics, gender-based violence, masculinity, humanitarian setting, education, SRHR, menstrual health, disability, policy, and the governance. These shared insights deepen our global solidarity as we build a more unified movement. As we know, dignified menstruation will be integrated into every sector: sports, agriculture, health, transport, law, education, technology, workplace, and even at the space. From individual to families, from classroom to parliament, from local communities to global platform, this movement will be everywhere because menstruators are everywhere. And because this universe exists through the power of menstruation. Thank you deeply and sincerely. On behalf of the Global South Coalition for Dignified Menstruation, I extend heartfelt appreciation to our national, global, and solidarity partner for trusting us. Moderator, panelist, presenter, theater teams, and technical teams. Our team members, volunteers who work day and night. The Declaration Committee for their integrity and the commitment, and all of above to every participant who traveled from all around the globe despite the numerous challenges and brought the courage, honesty, and solidarity to the space. At last, but certainly not least, I honor the relentless dedication our mighty disruptor, Dr. Radha Paudel. Thank you all. Thank you all for your courage, your conviction, and your game-changing commitment to dignified menstruation. We cannot wait to witness the impact you will create in the days and years ahead. Wishing each of you a safe, peaceful, and pleasant journey back to home. With gratitude, solidarity, and hope, I thank everyone. Dhanyabad, and thank you.